Hey guys, today we will be making a fish for Father's Day card. Here's the previous. If you haven't checked it out, go to the video where I make the popsicle. I still haven't written in it, but I will. Again, you can make photos of this too. Here's what you need: cardstock, 3 foam colors of your choice. I chose yellow, purple, and orange. These cardboard cutouts, you need a face. It's going to be like a watermelon shape. Turn it over sideways. That's a face. A body is going to be a potato shape. It's going to be just like this. A fin will be identical with the other fin and tail. Just add swirls or like this. And then just close it up here. These are the cardboard cutouts. And then next you need this googly eye, scissors, and glue. My white glue isn't really working good. I'm almost out of the white one. This is full. Okay, you also need colors for the background. Okay, let's get started. First, we're going to trace the face out of the yellow. You need a pencil, just in case you mess up. It's crafting foam, not memory foam. See? We're going to cut this out later. The body will be purple, or a color that you chose. Trace it out. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. This wasn't really good, but I can still see it where I traced. Okay, next we're going to trace the fins. They're all going to be orange. The rest will be orange, or your color that you chose. If you chose orange for this, comment down below. If you chose the same colors I did, comment down below with an emoji. Here's a tail and fin. I'll put it here to trace. Comment down below what I should do next also. I like to see your comments, and I'll try to reply to them. And the last one is the other fin. Trace that out. If you like my videos, don't forget to like. Okay, the eye doesn't matter because it's already something. We're just going to cut them out. Make sure you cut them out carefully because you do not want to mess up. If you do, it's always okay to try again, and mistakes are proof you're trying. Throw your scraps away so that your room will not get messy. Or like a living room, maybe you're doing it on the countertop in the kitchen, maybe you're doing it on the kitchen table. Just cut them out. I'm in a rush because I want you guys to pause the video. I think I said that in a different video of crafting. Make sure you hit the bell to get notified, to get the notifications of all my videos so that you'll never miss another video. Just cut these out carefully. I'm doing it carefully and kind of fast. Usually, I just cut them out, even though it's not a line, because I do not want this to bother me. Whenever you're done, just turn it around. Okay, there's orange, the body and the face. Now, this is going to be quick, and I promise. I just don't want you guys to be bored. Right now would be a good time to pause the video and cut this out while I cut this out. Okay. Throw your scraps away. I will throw them away right now. So just give me a little time. I got a mini trash can over here, which is really useful. The face is now here. Cut the sex off. Okay, next, get your cardstock. First, let's put the body. I'm going to trim this so it looks pretty. It's store-bought. Well, actually, no matter what craft it is, it always looks better than store-bought. See? Just glue it. With your glue. Do not glue the inside because you do not want to waste. Just glue it on, cut the excess off. See? Okay. Next, we're going to add the fin. Well, no, first, let's do this. Because it's kind of hard to do it like that. So just glue on. When you're done gluing, make sure you let it dry off before giving it to your parent. Now we can add the fins and tail. Okay, let's glue the fin on. The first fin number 1. It will be the top fin. Here's fin number 2. Okay, this one you should follow along no matter what color you're doing, because it's important that you do it right. You're going to put it right here. Make sure it's over the purple or your choice foam, the body. The tail's going to be out of the page because it's so that you can open it better. Okay, now it's time to add several details. Here is the eye. Let's add the smile. Just one eye because the other eye is on the other side, so you just need one. But the smile, the details, just get your brown marker, and at the bottom, I'll put a few sand shells and stuff. Okay, next, you're going to use your green marker and color in some seaweed. just make sure that it looks really cool. Well, if it doesn't look cool, it's always good to keep trying and practice. This needs lots of practice. Add some bubbles. They're going to be blue circles. Okay, here is the joke and the thing you're going to say at the top. It's going to be, Dad, you're officially awesome. It's going to be officially. Your O. Here's, put it all in capital letters. O. Fish. Put fish. And then alley. And just regular letters. Lowercase. Officially. And put awesome. AWESOME. You're awesome. Awesome. Totally. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and hit that bell. Share this video. Bye!